The biggest game changer in 2025 for Revit Auto is our software Downtime Terminator. We're able to leverage AI with all the information that we're gathering from vehicles through the IoT devices that we've deployed, and have vehicles behind me like heavy equipment, trucks, and trailers be able to give us information about how far they've gone, what type of conditions they've been used in, and then use that modeling and the century of combined experience that we have as fleet managers to develop a predictive maintenance schedule and then have that be autonomously monitored with our AI system. This is going to be the biggest game changer for us and every single fleet that we work with. You're going to be able to have an employee that has zero automotive experience have an assistant be able to walk them through the process of managing their fleet. On top of that, the use cases are endless. Want to figure out if a route should be optimized better? We track those routes, and then we can go ahead and look at the live data of traffic and which direction they went to determine if it should be optimized. And then you can just model it out from there. If you want to make sure that your vehicles are being serviced on time, let's say you send a vehicle 1,000 miles away, but it's 250 miles away from having its oil change due, the predictive model will be able to determine that it's going to take more than 250 miles for that vehicle to return back to base, and it's going to trigger that event to have that vehicle serviced. You'll also be able to look at behavioral analytics and do comparison and analysis based on real-world information that's being put into our tables. See, AI is a fantastic tool, but it's only actually a tool, and it's only as good as the prompt. So making sure that the correct model is being built based on the tables that we have and the collection of data that we have is what's going to make the AI more powerful. It's as simple as this. If you get on ChatGPT or use Gemini 1.5 and you give it a very lazy prompt, it's going to give you a very lazy answer. But if you get very detailed with everything that you're asking the AI to output, it's going to be that much better. So with us, what we've been doing for the last 5 years is building our own data collection capabilities, deploying IoT devices, and then learning based on what information really needs to be apparent in the data model to then train our AI to be a better assistant for you. So I'm really excited that we're going to be releasing our very first AI assistant this year in the first quarter of 2025, and then building upon everything. So be sure to stay up to date with our releases and see how we can make sure that your fleet absolutely crushes it this year in your 2025.